In this session, we will learn another important tool in Primavera P6, the filter option. To demonstrate this feature, let's open a sample project. There are several ways to access the filter option. Enable the filter toolbar and click the filter funnel icon. Right-click in the Activities window and select Filter. Or go to View menu and select Filter By. All these methods will open the same filter window. Primavera P6 comes with several predefined filters. In addition, you can create your own custom filters based on your project requirements. A global filter is available to all users who have access to the Primavera database. A user-defined filter is private and available only to the user who created it. You can also copy an existing filter, modify it, or delete a user-created filter if it is no longer required. For demonstration, let's select the default Critical Activities filter. When applying a filter, you have two display options. Replace activities shown in the current layout displays only the activities that meet the filter criteria. Highlight activities in the current layout keeps all activities visible but highlights the matching activities. Click Apply, and only the critical activities are displayed in the Activities window. Now select Replace Activities. Here, if you see other activities are temporarily hide from the Activity window except the critical activities. Go to Group and Sort option. At present, in our project, there is a procurement WBS where the activities are not critical at this stage. If we apply the Hide if empty in the Group and Sort, those activities will not be displayed because they do not satisfy the filter criteria. For your information, this is a common situation. Sometimes users think activities have disappeared, but in reality, a filter is active. Therefore, always check whether any filter has been applied before assuming activities are missing. You can also enable Show Summary in Display option. When this option is selected, Primavera displays summary information, making it easier to review high-level progress. Now let's understand and/or conditions. For that, let's create our own custom filter. Let's create a filter to display only the specific WBS. Click New and enter a filter name. While creating a filter, you'll notice two options. All of the following. This works as an AND condition. Every condition must be satisfied. Any of the following. This works as an OR condition. Only one of the conditions needs to be satisfied. Select Parameter as WBS. Condition is Procurement is selected under WBS. Then Apply. You can save this filter either as a user filter or make it available as a global filter, depending on your requirements. You may also notice that a 2-week look-ahead filter has already been created. You can study the filter logic if you'd like to understand how it works. However, if your objective is simply to generate a look-ahead schedule, you can directly apply the filter. The logic mainly uses current date, CD, along with planned and actual dates. You can create logic for creating 3-week and 3-month look-ahead filters using these conditions. Now let's demonstrate another practical example. For that, here updated a few activities. One activity has been marked completed. 2 activities have been marked in progress. Let's create a new filter. Select New Filter and add the following conditions. Activity status equals completed or activity status equals in progress. Notice that we are using the OR condition because we want activities that satisfy either status. After clicking Apply, Primavera displays all activities that are either completed or in progress, while activities that have not started are excluded. Multi-level filtering. If you click Add Level, Primavera allows you to create multiple levels of filter logic. Each level can contain its own and/or conditions, enabling you to build more advanced filters. You can use the arrow buttons to move conditions between levels and organize the filter logic as required. The look ahead is an example for multi-level filtering.